If you want to quickly edit a Mailchimp template, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can open an existing template, make your changes, and save everything properly without getting lost in the dashboard. This is a simple tutorial, but it can save you a lot of time if you're updating email designs, changing text, swapping images, or refreshing a template for a new campaign. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Mailchimp in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the main menu and click on Campaigns. This is where Mailchimp keeps a lot of the tools you'll use for email marketing, including your email templates. After that, click on Email Templates. This will take you to the section where all of your saved templates are stored. If you've already built a template before, this is where you'll find it and make changes to it instead of starting from scratch. Now click on the Save tab. This is important because it shows the templates you've already created and saved in your account. From here, find the template you want to edit. If you have more than one, take a moment to choose the correct one so you don't accidentally change the wrong design. Next, click the drop-down arrow next to the template you want to edit. Mailchimp will show a few options here, and you'll want to select Edit Template. This opens the template editor so you can make changes directly to the design. Once the editor opens, you can begin editing the template content. You can update text, adjust headings, change buttons, swap images, and modify the layout, depending on how the template was built. Take your time here and make sure the content matches your campaign goals. If you're updating a newsletter, product announcement, or promotional email, this is the stage where you can tailor everything to your audience. As you edit, double-check spacing, alignment, and any links or call to action buttons. It's always a good idea to preview your template mentally as you work so it looks clean on desktop and mobile. Small changes can make a big difference in how professional your email looks. When you've finished editing, click Save and Exit. That will store your changes and bring you back out of the editor safely. This final step is important because it makes sure your template updates are saved before you move on to your next campaign. And that's it. You've successfully edited a Mailchimp template. As you can see, the process is pretty straightforward once you know where to click. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step software guides, and leave a comment if you want more Mailchimp videos in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.